Hello students, I Mrs. Lata Shinde. In this video, we will learn the lesson number 3, Maratha Sardars, the famous house of the Bhosles. Before I could start the lesson, let me ask you few questions. First question, name few freedom fighters. Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, etc. Second, what was the full name of Shivaji Maharaj? Answer, Shivaji Shahaji Bhosle. Children, can you recognize this picture? Yes, this picture of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. He was king of Maharashtra. So, let us learn the lesson number 3, Maratha Sardars, the famous house of the Bhosles. In the last lesson, we have seen about the saints. Now, in this lesson, we will learn about Maratha Sardars. Especially, we will discuss about the following points. The period of unrest, the brave Maratha Sardars, tradition of Vellore, the temple of Grushneshwar, the Bhosles of Verul, and Shahaji Raje. Period of unrest. The brave Maratha Sardars started a tradition of bravery. This was a period of great unrest. The two sultans, Adil Shah of Bijapur and Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar, were constantly at war with each other. Means they were always fighting. And this made use of armies also in their wars. The Maratha Sardars, the brave Maratha Sardars. Of course, the Marathas were brave, tough. They were also fearless and loyal to their masters. They were very proud of their achievements on the battlefield. They fought like a lion on the battlefield. So they have proud for their achievements. Maratha soldier with a spear in hand and a sword at other side would ride in Sardar's cavalry. Here, cavalry means the part of army on the horse. They own their private armies. We can see on the slide the things used during the wartime, especially a dagger, a sword and a spear. We can see a sword is like a large knife. Then a spear, one side pointed, which has very sharp edge, and a dagger. If such a Sardar went to the Sultan with his army, the Sultan gave him employment, and who received such a Jahagir considered himself as a Raja. Here, the Jahagir means reward for his good service. There were many famous Maratha Sardars at the court of Ahmednagar and Bijapur. As we can see in the slide, the surnames and the place the Maratha Sardars from where they belongs to. For example, like Jadhavs belong to Sindhkhed, Nimbalkars from Fulton, Ghorpades of Mudhol, Mores of Javli, and Bhosles of Verul. Jijabai, the mother of Shivaji Maharaj, was the daughter of Lakhuji Rao Jadhav of Sindhkhed. Next, tradition of Vellore. How this tradition is kept alive in Maratha Sardars, we can see. Marathas were brave, but many of them are sworn enemies of one another. Sworn enemies means they always hate each other. They always fight with each other. They are never together. They are never united for their own people. And among these Marathas, the Bhosles of Verul showed a great bravery and enterprise. We can see on the slide the temple of Grushneshwar. It was around 400 years ago. The temple of Grushneshwar near the Velur cave was falling into pieces. This temple belongs to Lord Shiva. It is totally neglected by everybody. The walls had developed the cracks, but nobody thought of repairing it. A great devotee of Lord Shiva visits the temple regularly. He would put the flowers as well as bale on the lingam and express his innermost thoughts. Who was he who did all the arrangements and carried out extensive repairs of the temple? He was Maloji Raje Bhosle. Yes, Babaji Raje Bhosle had two sons, Maloji Raje elder and Vithoji Raje younger. We can see the picture of Veerashri Maloji Raje Bhosle on the slide. Babaji Raje Bhosle also has the rights of Patil in the Verul village. Maloji and Vithoji both were brave and enterprising. They had in their army many Maratha troops. But this was a period of very great unrest. The Mughal emperor from Delhi had attacked the kingdom of Nizam Shah. We can see the Daulatabad fort. So that time Daulatabad became the capital of Nizam Shah. Both brothers were brave. They also caught the attention of Nizam Shah. They got Pune and Supe Parganas, Jahagir of Pune and Supe Parganas. That time Malik Ambar, we can see the picture of Malik Ambar on the slide. Malik Ambar was the Wazir or Chief Minister. Maloji Raje's Jahagir conferred on Malik Ambar. So, the Bhosles were very rich and powerful. Maloji Raje's wife Umabai, they also had their two sons Maloji and Umabai, that is Shahaji Raje and Sharif Ji. Shahaji and Sharif Ji. Maloji Raje later on killed in the battle at Indapur. Then, that time, Shahaji Raje was only 5 years old. Maloji killed in the battle, so Vithoji Raje look after of the children and Jahagir. Then Vithoji Raje asked for the Shahaji marriage. So that time the daughter of Rakhuji Rao Jadhav, she was Jizabai. They celebrated the wedding of Shahaji Raje and Jizabai in the great pomp, and Jizabai became the fortune of Bhosle's family. We can see the picture of Shahaji Raje on the slide. Nizam Shah transferred to Shahaji Raje the Jahagir he had conferred on Maloji Raje. Shahaji Raje was a brave, capable man, held great respect in the court of Nizam Shah. He also have great respect in the court of Nizam Shah. For this, he made an alliance with Adil Shah of Bijapur. Malik Ambar and Shahaji Raje fought bravely to save Nizam Shahi. They defeated both the armies. This battle took place in Bhatiyawadi near Ahmednagar. In this battle, Sharif Ji killed. Shahaji Raje displayed great valor, great bravery. He was praised by everybody as a brave general, and his reputation in the court was so enhanced that even Malik Ambar began to feel jealous of him. So Shivaji's father Shahaji Raje decided that to leave Nizam Shahi. He decided to leave Nizam Shahi, and later on he joined to Adil Shah. Adil Shah honored him with the title of Sar Lashkar, that means Chief of Army. There were many developments in the Nizam Shahi. The Wazir Malik Ambar died. His scheming son Fateh Khan became the Wazir of Nizam Shahi. During this period, Nizam Shahi also began to decline. At the same time, there was threat of Mughal aggression. So, Nizam Shah's mother appealed to Shahaji Raje to return Nizam Shahi and save it. Therefore, Shahaji Raje left Adil Shahi and returned to Nizam Shahi. Here, children, we came to the end of the lesson. Here is your homework. You have to match the pairs. You can take the help of the video and match the pairs and write in your notebook with correct answers. Next question is, answer the following. First one, who restored the temple of Grushneshwar to its original condition? Answer, Maloji Raje Bhosle. Second, what was the title given by Adil Shah to honor Shahaji Raje? Answer, Adil Shah gave the title of Sar Lashkar, that means Chief of Army, to honor Shahaji Raje. Thank you, children.